stunt driver. Smiling like shining sharp. We gonna leave that out of here. Y'all hear that intake? Oh my. Yo, YouTube. First POV. Y'all see it, y'all see it. RT Charlie. Y'all see the name on the side, so if y'all see me, that's who it is. That thing sound nice. Lights on the back looking nice. Tail lights, man. Got the side skirts on that thing. Got the red calves. Red calibers on there. Red stripes on that thing. People keep telling me to take off those guards, but man, I'm gonna leave mine on. Let me back up for y'all. We with the first POV, let's get it. YouTube, y'all wanna get a couple revs and get a couple revs in? You can rev it, don't hold it, just like, no, in my driver, in my stunt driver. How that thing sound, do it sound nice? That thing sound nice, YouTube? In my driver, in my stunt driver. But we good. Y'all ready? Y'all hear that intake? I can hear it, for sure. All right, we out of here. We gonna go out the way we came before security. Hey, little dog barking at me. I think he mad at me. I was making all that noise. But we good though. I just hope the video not too bouncy. They having a party over there. Did I speed past the police? I didn't? They ain't see me? Huh? You ain't see him? They were hiding. We ain't see him. I hope y'all can hear that intake. Oh my gosh. This ain't your normal RT, you feel me? This is different. You feel me? This is a different thing. I don't think they know. Oh my gosh. We are loud. We might be too loud, but I'm a good citizen, y'all. Y'all like the way that sound? Let me know, let me know, let me know. Or if I need to up the sound a little bit. Up the sound a little bit, y'all, or is that 5? That SRT 392 thing right there. Look, I think we got another one across the street over there. I beat that. Why I can't turn left? Be right here. My first POV, so I have no idea what I'm doing. He be mad, growling like shining sharp. Y'all hear that inside? Oh my, a little bit at this light, all right? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Sounds so nasty. I'm a nasty boy. I'm a nasty boy. But yeah, we got the RT thing. We got the sunroof. Y'all want me to drop the sunroof for y'all? I could do it. I could do it. I could drop the sunroof for y'all. Riley, I'm gonna call my car Shannon Sharp. Ready for some freeway action. I haven't realized that my car is actually kind of loud. Did I hear a whine? Hold on, did I hear I think I heard a whine. Did you hear a whine? I think I heard a whine. Did y'all hear a whine? I heard a whine. Look. I think I heard a whine. Am I exaggerating? Hold on, did I just hear a whine? I think I might be exaggerating. I think I just heard a whine. I think I might have a sleeper. Look, I ain't gonna say too much. I might have a sleeper. It's only a RT, so we're gonna leave them in the rear. We're gonna leave them in the rear. I just felt like they was challenging me, so because I heard the whine, on some kind of BM dub, but hold on, do y'all hear that whine? I think I hear a whine. Do y'all hear that whine? I think I hear a whine. You hear the whine? I hear the whine. She heard the whine. Look. Do y'all hear it? All right, that's enough of the one. That's a BMW. Y'all tell me what BMW that is. It's an X something. I don't know. Get the sleeper going. I want y'all to hear the whine, because I heard the whine. I'm gonna end it.